Hello viewers, welcome to our channel TechVideos. In this video, we are sharing with you Android volume button secret tricks. Volume button basically control and manage your Android device volume, but in this video, we are sharing with you volume button hidden and secret tricks. For example, I want to take one picture, so I am clicking on the camera icon. You can see it's not opening. Show me error, but when I am pressing volume button down key, it's working fine. Another example, I want to open YouTube, so I am clicking on the YouTube icon. You can see it's not opening. Show me error message, but while I am pressing volume button down key, it's opening. So if you want to apply this trick on your Android device, keep watching till the end and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and thumbs up like button. First, you need to install Apps Lock application from Google Play Store. So I am opening Google Play Store. Type in here Apps Lock or check description box for direct link. In here you can see Apps Lock recommended me, so I am click on this icon. Now in here you can see this application. Install this application. I have already installed it, so I am click on the open button. Swap the screen from bottom. Swap the screen. Setup password. Click on the two option. Now press your Android phone volume button. I am pressing volume button down key 2 times. Again press volume button down key 2 times. Select question. Which phone number do you remember most from your childhood? 4444. Now press your password. Volume button down key 2 times. Turn on the option. Enable. Click on the back option. In here I want to lock camera, so I am click on the camera, select custom, allow, choose a photo. Now I want to lock YouTube, so click on the YouTube, custom, choose a photo, select photo. Now go to for check, so I am click on the camera icon. You can see it's not opening. Show me error, but when I am pressing volume button down key, it's working fine. So I am click on the YouTube icon. You can see it's not opening. Show me error message, but while I am pressing volume button down key, it's opening. You can also lock your Android screen. Go to Apps Lock. It's called Cannot. After install this application, Apps Lock application, you will see Cannot. So I am click on the Cannot application. Press volume button down key. Click on the menu icon. Screen lock. Turn on screen lock option. Choose method 1, permission, yes. Enable the option permit during over the other apps. Now you can see my phone screen is locked. My phone screen isn't working, but when I am pressing volume button down key 2 times, it's working fine. So I hope you enjoy these simple videos. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and thumbs up like button.